everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your construction business. So I am an owner of a construction business and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. What I want is that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets. For that, we need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and actions. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be Google Sheets. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your construction business. So I am an owner of a construction business, that is Workjoy Contractors, and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. What I want is that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead should be added into my Google Sheets. For that, we need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account as I'm an existing user. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Now you can see the Pabbly Connect's dashboard. To start an automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, we are going to click on this button right over here, that's Create a Workflow. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Workjoy Contractors Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. If you want, you can give a name to your workflow according to your requirement. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account. You can create your own folder by clicking on this plus button right over here. After you create your own folder, you have to select the folder from this drop down right over here. I'm going to select the folder as Facebook Lead to Google Sheets Automation, that is right over here. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Workjoy Contractors Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. And there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action responds towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we are going to set up our trigger step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. It is asking for us to choose our trigger application. In the introduction, I've already told you that a trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. After selecting our trigger application, we need to select our trigger event. And our trigger event is going to be new lead instant. We are selecting our trigger event as new lead instant. That means every time a new lead will be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After selecting the trigger application and the event, we are going to click on Connect in order to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you on which we have to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we are going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After setting up the authorization between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, it is asking for us to select a page. So in my Facebook account, I have created a page for my business in the name of Workjoy Contractors, and I will be promoting Facebook lead ads with the help of this page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as Workjoy Contractors. I'm going to select it. Then it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form in the name of Facebook Leads form. So I'm going to go and select my lead gen form as Facebook Leads form. If you want to learn how to create your own lead gen form, then you can check out our YouTube channel. After selecting the page in the lead gen form, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see right over here, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. Now what we are going to do is we are going to generate a test lead. For that, we have to open the lead ads testing tool. For that, we have to open a new tab. In a new tab, we have to search for Meta for Developers. We have to open Meta for Developers. This is the main page of the Meta for Developers. We are going to click on More right over here, then on Tools right over here. Then you have arrived on the developer tools and we have to scroll down and we have to select for lead ads RTO debug tool right over here. So this is the lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate test lead. Firstly, it is asking for the page. So for the page, we are going to select it as Workjoy Contractors. After that, for the form, we are going to select it as Facebook Leads form. After selecting the page and the form, we are going to click on Preview Form. So this is the form that I've created and it is asking for the first name, last name, email and the full number. We are going to fill in all the details. Firstly, for the first name, I'm going to write it as dummy. For the last name as user123. For the email as dummyuser123@pabblytudes.com. So this is the email, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we are going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As you can see over here, it says a test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect, scroll down. And yes, as you can see over here, a new response is captured in our Pabbly Connect. For the first name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After that, we are going to set up our action step. For that, we have to click on right over here. As we want that whenever a new lead is generated, it should be added into our Google Sheets. So for the action application, we are going to select it as Google Sheets. And for the action event, we are going to select it as add new row. So that whenever a new lead will be generated, the data of that lead will be transferred into our Google Sheets and a new row will be added. After that, we are going to click on connect in order to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you on which you have to click on add new connections. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we are going to click on sign in with Google. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you which is asking for a permission. I'm going to click on allow as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it is asking for us to select a spreadsheet. So in my Google Sheets, I have created a spreadsheet in the name of Workjoy Contractors Customers Data. And whenever a new lead will be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the data of that lead should be transferred into this Google spreadsheet. So for this spreadsheet, I'm going to select it as Workjoy Contractors Customers Data. After that, it is asking for us to select a sheet. So in my spreadsheet, I have created a single sheet in the name of sheet 1. So for the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. After that, it is asking for us to select the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So in my Google Sheets, I have created 4 fields in the name of first name, last name, email and the phone number. And I want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the data of that lead should be transferred under these 4 fields. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from a previous trigger step. Over here you can see after clicking on this field right over here, this is the previous trigger step that we had, that is Facebook lead ads new lead instant. If we are going to click on this arrow right over here, we will find the response that was captured in our trigger step. As it is asking for the data for the first name, so we are going to map the data for the first name. As we have mapped this data, the data over here now has become dynamic. And whenever a new response will be captured in our trigger step, automatically the data over here will be updated according to the new response captured. Next, it is asking for us to select the last name. We are going to map the data again. Click right over here. Click on this arrow right over here. We are going to map the data for the last name. We are going to follow the same process for the email as well. Click right over here. Click on this arrow right over here. We are going to map the data for the email. Lastly, for the phone number, we are going to map the data again. Click over here. Click on this arrow right over here. We are going to map the data for the phone number. As we have completed mapping the data for all these details, the data over here in this fields has now become dynamic. That means every time a new response will be captured in a trigger step, automatically the data over here will be updated according to the new response captured. After filling all the details, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see, we have received a response and the response over here is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Google Sheets and I'm going to check whether the data from our new lead generated with the help of Facebook lead ads is transferred into our Google Sheets or not. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, as you can see over here in our Google Sheets, the data of the lead that we have generated with the help of Facebook lead ads is successfully transferred. For the first name, it is dummy. Last name as user123. Email as dummyuser123@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, I'm going to do another test lead submission, and we're going to check whether the data of that lead is transferred into our Google Sheets or not. For that, I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool again. As you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate a test lead. Over here, it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. As I've already created a lead with the help of this form, we will not be able to generate another test lead. For that, we are going to click on delete lead right over here. Over here, it says your lead has been deleted. So this means that we have deleted the existing lead. Now we are going to refresh the page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you not delete the existing lead, you will not be able to generate another lead with the help of this form, because you can create only one lead per form. Firstly, we are going to select the page. So for the page, we are going to select it as Workjoy Contractors. After that, for the form, we are going to select it as Facebook Leads form. After selecting the page in the form, we are going to click on Preview Form. So this is the form that I've created, and I'm going to fill in all the details. As you can see, I've filled in all the details. Firstly, for the first name as demo, last name as account123, email as demoaccount123@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As you can see over here, it says your test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my Google Sheets and I'm going to check whether the lead that we have generated with the help of this form, the data of that lead is added in our Google Sheets or not. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, as you can see over here, the new data is added from the lead that we have generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. So firstly, for the first name, it says demo, last name as account123, email as demoaccount123@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am a business owner of a construction company, that is Workjoy Contractors, and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I wanted was that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically all the data of that lead should be transferred into my Google Sheets and a new row should be added. For that, we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need to create a workflow. I have created a workflow in the name of Workjoy Contractors Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. And this is how we create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.